Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are rounding up, so happy Halloween. This is the last video in the 13 nights of Halloween, and then tomorrow is the good video that you want to stay tuned for. So we are going to take Talk Dirt to Me, and we are going to apply that on 3 of the nails, and then we are going to do black polish on the pinky. Taking primary black, and we are going to start with that drip nail. By this time, this was actually the first video I filmed, so by this time you've probably seen a couple tutorials featuring this drip nail, but this is, I think, the first one that I did on the tip, so it's almost dripping down towards the cuticle versus the cuticle down towards the free edge. Okay, I'm taking art foil glue, and I am just putting this on, and I'm not really paying attention too much because we are doing a scattered look. This look was all over Pinterest. I think I filmed this back in early September, so quite some time ago, and now it's everywhere. But I did find this original look on Pinterest. So we're taking clear jelly stamper because I wanted to make it easy on myself, and we are putting a top coat on that. And this top coat, I'm using Cara Sky. It does separate, so you're gonna wanna do 2 layers because you can see some of the web actually disappeared, but it's not a big deal because I'm just going to put that foil over it. Putting the foil glue all over that black nail, and then we are just going to apply some of that foil in that kind of scattered motion because that's kind of what we're doing throughout the rest of the look. Taking neon green. So now we're gonna get to the Oogie Boogie. So he is difficult. So I tried my hardest. Again, this is my first Halloween one, and you guys know I'm working on my hand painting. It's really hard. So I have it in 200% because otherwise you're going to be here forever, and we don't want that. All right, we are finishing up the mouth here, and this will be the last video in the 13 Nights of Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed the series, and I will have the giveaway video coming up tomorrow, and then I will give all the details for that, and we can work on the hidden puzzle. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.